Hi and welcome to Soliotech. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe and grow with us. At Soliotech, we teach you the fundamentals and advanced concepts of robotics, electronics, and programming. Today's lecture is how to program and control a servo motor. To take you through this lecture, my name is Ahmed. I am a software engineer. Kindly like and share this content. It really motivates us to create rich and efficient lectures for you and others. A servo motor is a device that a user can rely on to operate exactly as commanded. Any electric motor capable of controlling parameters like position and speed is called a servo motor, regardless of how this control is achieved. There's a variety of servo motor out there, but we are going to use the SG90 Micro servo motor today. To carry out this project, you will need one Arduino Uno board. You can use Arduino Nano depending on the version of the Arduino you want, but we are going to use Arduino Uno board. Also, we will need one servo motor, the SG90 Micro servo motor, 180-degree rotation. There's a variety of servo motor out there, but we choose to use the SG90 Micro servo motor that the rotation is 180 degree. Lastly, you will need few jumper wires that you will use to connect the circuit with it. In our case, we will need jumper wires male to male. Here is our IDE setup. Let's start by importing the library of Servo. We said include Servo. Yes, then let's create a variable servo. We call it my servo. Okay, now let's set up our servo. My servo dot attach. We set up pin 9 and let's put it position 0. My servo dot write. Okay, position 0. We are done with our setup. Now you will write a for loop. For, let's initialize it int I equal to 0. Let's check the condition I minus 180 degree. Let's say I incremented I plus plus. Now let's write the body of our loop. My servo dot write the I. A delay of 50 milliseconds. We are done with the positive rotation, which goes from 0 to 180 degree. Now let's write another for loop which will take us back from 180 degree to 0. For initialize it, and here you call it B. Let's say B for back. B equal to 180 degree. B greater than 0. B, we decrement here, minus minus. Okay, then let's write the body of our loop here. My servo dot write B. We give a delay, the same delay of 50 milliseconds. Now we are done with our code. Let's compile it to see if the code is clean. Yes, let's save our sketch here. We will call it Servo Moto. Our code is clean, has been compiled. Let's cross check. Tool, you go to Arduino, and we are here Arduino Uno. We are using Arduino Uno board. If you are using Nano, you will select here. Then we are on Arduino Uno, is good. Let's check the port. Yes, we are using the USB port, is good. Now let's upload our sketch. Boom, our sketch is uploaded, and now see our servo is rotating. All the resources of these tutorials are in our GitHub repository. The link is down below. Kindly let us know in comment if the tutorial was engaging, was interesting for you. Thank you so much. Bye.